Hey everybody, I'm here today to show you and tell you how to use a math compass. This will be a full tutorial, so let's get right into the video. This is a math compass right here. It's a very simple math compass. They come in shapes and sizes like this one right here, and then there are some that are a little bit bigger, a little bit more complex with the locking mechanism and so forth, but this is basically the simplified version of a math compass. As you see right here, it has a point on one end, and it has a spot for a pencil on the other hand. I'm going to show you how to use it to draw a circle, and you can use it for a whole bunch of stuff, but you want to use it to essentially make curved lines that are perfectly curved. So let's get right into the video. What you want to do is you want to make marks from the beginning to the end of the radius of what you want the circle to be. The radius is the distance from the center of the circle to the outside edge of the circle. So let's say I wanted the center to be right over here. Okay, I'd put a dot right here, and I wanted it to be, like, you can just arbitrarily put a dot somewhere else, but I'm going to be specific. I want it to be 4 centimeters. So from there, that's the 0 centimeter mark, to the 4 centimeter, I'm going to put another dot at the 4 centimeter. Okay, now essentially to use the math compass, what you're going to do is place your pencil. You want to use a relatively small pencil like this. It just makes it way easier to work with. Place your pencil in the slot, trying to get it lined up with the length of the point that you see right over there, and you want to tighten it in place. Okay, so I'm just turning this clockwise. It's now tightened in place. It's not going to go anywhere. Then you want to place the point on, let's say, the center. So I'm going to place the point on what I want it to be the center of the circle, and I'm going to angle this so that the pencil tip goes where the edge would be. Okay, so we're going to create the radius with this distance right here. Okay, so I'm going to just angle it down and place the pencil right over there. So the pencil is now touching where that other dot is, and I'm going to hold it in place. You want to place pressure where the point is so it doesn't move, and you want to slide it in a circular motion. And what we're going to be doing is we're going to be creating the circle that you see right here. Okay, just like that. And it does take some practice, because as you get to the end, as you can see, it is hard to slide it, and I'm trying to do this all on camera, so bear with me. But as you can see, we've created a perfect circle that has a radius of 4 centimeters, like I said. It's literally that simple, okay? You can do more complex things with it, but it's that simple. Some of them will have a locking mechanism to lock the angle in place, but with a simple one like this, is as long as this nut over here is tight on that bolt, on that screw head, on that bolt right there, as long as it's kept nice and tight, it's gonna stay in place, because you can see it's kind of hard to move. If this gets loose, then you can move it easily and it won't work properly. So make sure that stays nice and tightly secured in place. That's it. If you like this video, please be sure to give it a thumbs up. Let me know what you think down below as a comment. And of course, be sure to subscribe for more great videos just like this one. And that's all I have for you today. Thanks for watching.